scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will learn to compare two numbers by performing the Intelli activity on comparing two numbers. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the comparing numbers base sheet, number beads kit, Intelli number buddy kit and marker. We will first assemble the Intelli number base trays. Place the number foam base 2 parts, number base plate 2 parts, number sticks 10 units on a table or a flat surface. We will assemble the foam base and the number base plates. Place one number base plate on the top of a number foam base such that the slits are perfectly aligned. Like this. Fix the 5 number sticks in these slits. Now your Intelli number base tray 1 is ready. Prepare the Intelli number base tray 2 in a similar manner. Now your Intelli number base tray 2 is also ready. Keep them aside. Now place the number tokens on a table or a flat surface. Observe the number tokens. We have 3 sets of number tokens. Let's shuffle them. We are going to compare two 5-digit numbers. To form the first 5-digit number, we will randomly pick 5 number tokens one by one. You can also close your eyes to make it more fun. Like this. Keep them in the same order as they were picked. We have picked 3, 7, 3, 5, 5. Keep the remaining number tokens aside. Keep the Intelli number base tray 1 at the head of the number tokens picked and fix the number tokens in the Intelli number base tray 1 starting from the ones place to the 10,000s place. Fix the first number token of digit 3 at ones place. Fix the second number token of digit 7 at tens place. Similarly, 3 at hundreds place, 5 at thousands place and the last number token of digit 5 at 10,000s place. We have represented the first number on the Intelli number base tray 1. Now place the number beads in front of the Intelli number base tray 1. We will now insert the number beads as per the digits on the number tokens into the number sticks. Note that we have number beads of blue color, white color, yellow color, red color and green color. The digit on the number token at ones place is 3. Therefore, insert 3 blue number beads into the number stick at ones place. The digit on the number token at tens place is 7. Therefore, insert 7 white number beads into the number stick at tens place. In a similar manner, insert 3 yellow number beads at hundreds place. 5 number beads of red color at thousands place. And 5 number beads of green color at 10,000s place. Note that for ones place we will use blue color number beads, for tens place we will use white color number beads, for hundreds place we will use yellow color number beads, for thousands place we will use red color number beads and for 10,000s place we will use green color number beads. Thus, the first selected 5-digit number has been represented on the Intelli number base tray 1. Now place the remaining number tokens on a table or a flat surface. Let's now pick another 5 number tokens to form the second 5-digit number. Keep them in the same order as they were picked. We have picked 6, 5, 0, 4, 6. Keep the remaining number tokens aside and keep the IntelliNumber base tray 2 at the head of the number tokens picked. Now let's fix these number tokens on the IntelliNumber base tray 2 one by one, starting from the ones place to the 10,000s place. Place the number beads on a table or a flat surface. Now insert the number beads into the number sticks of the IntelliNumber base tray 2 to represent each digit as done in the IntelliNumber base tray 1. Note that no number beads are placed for the digit 0. Now keep the IntelliNumber base tray 2 and the remaining number beads aside. Now lay out the comparing numbers base sheet on a table or a flat surface. Place the IntelliNumber base tray 1 and 2 at the head of the comparing numbers base sheet. Also keep the marker beside the comparing numbers base sheet. Write your name here and your grade over here. Now observe the comparing numbers base sheet. It has 2 airships and there are spaces for numbers on the airships. Also there is a space for comparison sign. Now write the first number, that is 55373 on airship 1. Write the second number, that is 64056 on airship 2. To compare two numbers, we must compare the digits at the highest place of both the numbers. Here it is the 10,000s place. Let's now compare the digits at the 10,000s place of these two numbers. The digit at the 10,000s place for the first number is 5. The digit at the 10,000s place for the second number is 6. 5 is less than 6. So, the first number is less than the second number. That is 55373 is less than 64056. We will draw the lesser than symbol on the comparing numbers base sheet over here. You have successfully learnt how to visually represent and compare two numbers and use correct sign of comparison. Show your joy of learning by drawing a smile on the emoji's face. Now let's take a different scenario. The first number formed is 65373. The second number formed is 64056. We have dropped the respective count of number beads at their respective places. That is, for the first number we have dropped 3 blue, 7 white, 3 yellow, 5 red and 6 green number beads. For the second number we have dropped 6 blue, 5 white, no number bead, 4 red and 6 green number beads. We have written the numbers on the comparing numbers base sheet as well. Here the highest place is again the 10,000s place. But the digit at the 10,000s place in both the numbers are same, which is 6. In such a case, we must compare the digits at the second highest place, that is the thousands place. Here the digit at the thousands place of the first number is 5 and of the second number is 4. 5 is more than 4. Therefore, the first number, that is 65373 is greater than the second number, that is 64056. We will draw the greater than symbol on the comparing numbers base sheet. Note that if the digits at the second highest place, that is the thousands place, are also equal, we compare the digits at the third highest place and so on. If all the digits of both the numbers are equal, then the equal to sign is drawn between the two numbers. Now, you can try it yourself by taking different digits and compare them following the same steps. After doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: representing the numbers, forming the numbers, comparing the numbers. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.